What is going on, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Southern Fishing. I know it's been a really long time since I've posted a video, and I apologize for that, but I've been in college and it has been taking up all of my time, and I've had absolutely no time at all to go fish and go edit and just make a good video for y'all. And I don't want to just be posting bad stuff or just worse content that I have been. I don't want to go backwards. I want to go forward. So I've been waiting to post a good video for y'all, and this weekend is going to be that. I promise I'm going to do it. We're going to the upper Guad, actually. It's been raining here a ton in Texas. If y'all live here, y'all would know, and just flooded everywhere. But that was like a week and a half ago, and finally it's quit raining. The rivers are kind of died down. Some of the lower stuff is still really bad, but all the way up it's finally fishable, I think, and we're going to head up there. We're going to stay on the island one night and cook and make a little camp and hang out and just have a little overnight trip. It should be fun. We're rigging up the kayaks with all our gear, and hopefully it'll be good, and hopefully we'll get on some big fish. See y'all on the road. That's gonna be way too hot. Not to cook and fish. Alright, guys, well, the reason there's no fishing until now is because I left my SD card, or I thought I left my SD cards at the house. I just found them about 20 minutes ago, so that was lovely. But the good news is y'all didn't miss much. I caught one little bass. Garrett caught two pretty little bass and a warmouth that he's about to try to cook up for us tonight. We just had some fajita, so we got the fire going. We got camp set up. Got everything situated for tonight. It's supposed to rain, which is going to be interesting to say the least. We only have one rain tarp, and we're both going to try to camp in hammocks under it, so I'll let you know how that goes in the morning. But hopefully everything works out. And tomorrow we're going to a whole new stretch of river, so we're going to wake up and pack up and get out of here. But hopefully it'll be better. I know it probably will. We fished it before, so that's the plan, at least for today and tomorrow, and I will see you guys on the water. Does that scare you?
This is part of that.
Bro, that fish needs to be dead.
Oh my god, you are crazy, dog. I didn't like that. Know that I'm about to reach out and hold your hand in mine. Feel you up, baby, one of the next kiss is a kiss goodbye.
Yeah? No.
Honestly, it tastes like fish to me. It's not even that bad.
Let's see.
That is so hot though. Hold up. Holy smokes. It's actually not bad at all. Like, I'm actually kind of really impressed with it.
Holy seasoning.
Hot?
No, the seasoning, bro.
I think it's pretty good.
Oh my gosh.
That's not even that bad.
Yes, it is. There's so much pepper.
Oh, so it's not. I didn't cook good fish.
Bro, you got. No. Oh my god. Whoa, whoa. What?
Ah, that hurt. Okay, that's good.
Bro, that piece that I just had so much salt and pepper on it.
Let me have some.
Oh my gosh.
I'll eat my food.
Oh my. You know how much pepper's on there?
I enjoy it. It's great. This is the best piece I have. Honestly, for my first time ever doing a catch and cook,
Not bad.
it's really good.
Uh-oh. Get the net. Oh, net that. Oh my gosh, bro, that's huge. Oh my god.